Hello and welcome to another one of my C++ tutorials. What we're going to be making today is the famous Allegro mouse. So just name it as Allegro mouse. Make sure C++ project is selected. Click OK. Save. Project options, parameters, add library. Click on lib. Lib.log.a is what you want to select. Click OK. Erase the default text in there, and let's get started. So first things first, you want to include the Allegro.h, and after that let's just put bitmap buffer. Then let's get to our integers. Integer cursor x is going to be equal to 20, and integer cursor y is going to be equal to 20 as well. Let's go to our void function. Void get mouse info is what I'm going to name it, and you can name it whatever you want, but that's what I'm going to name it. So then what we're going to put in this void is if the mouse B, and we're just going to position it to the top upper left, and that's what the 1 stands for. And then you're going to close it right there, and let's just copy these two, and we're going to paste them in here. We're going to make cursor x equal to mouse x, and we're going to make cursor y equal to mouse y. And then what we're going to do is we're going to close this void. So we're done with the first void, get mouse info. Now let's move on to our second void, void update the screen. In this void we're going to update the screen, so let's put circle fill, buffer, cursor x, cursor y 20, make color 00255, and we're gonna draw a sprite. Screen buffer 00. Okay, so now we're done with both of our voids. Now let's move into our main function. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to put in Allegro in it, and then we have to install the keyboard. Actually, let's start by installing the mouse, and then install the keyboard. And then after that set the color depth to 16, and set the GFX, in other words the graphics mode. I never succeed when I try to make this program. Hopefully it succeeds this time. Let's see, 480.00, and we're just gonna put buffer equals let's say create bitmap 640/480, and show mouse buffer. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our while. So we're gonna give the user a chance to exit the game. So what we put is the key escape in there, so when they click it, it takes them off the game. And we're just gonna copy the get mouse info, void, and we're gonna paste it in here. And we can't forget the other void we made, so we're gonna copy this void right here as well, and we're gonna paste it in here, and then we're gonna close the bracket so it's stuck in there. Type in return 0, close this, and then end of main. Again, if I made a mistake, it'll correct me. I'm sure I made a mistake, but just save it as game game 1, or no, I'm just gonna save it as game 10.cpp, and well, there goes the mistake. What could I have done this time? Let's see. Draw sprite screen. Looks like I put 3 E's in there. Compile and run. There it is. This time it worked. So you see, this is the result of all that code. You get to move the mouse. Once you click, it puts a circle. Click again, and if you drag that circle, you see it puts a line, I guess. I've never succeeded making this code. This is the first time I've tried it. Again, I'm just beginner at this too. So these are good stuff to start with, and it's good basic stuff to start with in making games. If you do follow my other tutorials, we're going to be making more cool things like this. So study this, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.